All right, so here's the last question for this section. And it says the average cost per item in dollars for a company to produce X digital cameras is given by C equals, then we have the 50X plus 18,000 divided by X. Now, if they sell 6,000 cameras, evaluate this average cost for X equals 6,000 and then interpret results. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to say, well, C of 6,000 equals 50 times 6,000 plus 18,000 all divided by 6,000. All right. So I'm just going to do that on my calculator. So we'll have parenthesis 50 times 6,000 plus 18,000 and then divided by 6,000. So we get 53. All right. So what does that mean? Because now it says interpret the results. So it basically it cost $53 on average, because remember the average cost per item on average to make each camera when how many were made? 6,000 cameras were produced or are produced. Okay, so that's the average cost. Now remember, what is C bar? That's kind of usually how we would write it. We call it C bar of X, and so that's going to be your basically your total divided by the number, and so the total divided by your X. Okay, so that is going to help us on the next question, which says write an equation T that gives the total cost of producing X cameras. Well, the total cost, well, if this is the average cost, if we multiply by X, that gives us the total cost. And so basically, our T of X is going to be just our top part, 50X plus 18,000. Okay. Now they want us to evaluate that at 6,000. So that's 50 times 6,000 plus 18,000. And that was going to be 318,000. Okay. And so what does that mean? It costs $318,000 to make 6,000 cameras. Okay. All right. So that's all I have for this section. So hopefully that helps.